Challenges facing Peterborough in the early stages of our project were really the number of partners involved, ambitions to grow as a city, but people not really collaborating and talking at the right stage in that process. Peterborough has always had ambitions to grow as a city. It's got ambitions to grow substantially and also to grow sustainably. Our short-term result so far is that we've been able to present a whole range of data about the city's environmental performance. We've been able to show that data in a way that people understand and can engage with. In the longer term, we're now beginning to use those visualizations to collaborate around decision-making for the Peterborough that we want for the future. The benefits to people in Peterborough will be that they'll be able to see how the city's operating from an environmental perspective. IBM very much provided the technical expertise through their Green Innovations team. It's very much worked as a team rather than a contractor-client relationship.